can't remember when you went there, when I didn't care for anyone but you.
Tito Edgar Jesus?
I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me
And next may call on Kuya Melvin Del Rosario for the prayer dance.
the sweetest taste of I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid of love the night with me. And I'm so glad I've stayed right here with you.
And our fourth dance is Marvin Villarosa.
I can't remember what I used to do, whom I trusted, whom I listened to before. And
May
I
call on Daniel Fraget.
told me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, for all the good and bad.
May call on Rob Del Rosario.
So good to be with you. Through the years, it's better than ever. You kiss my tears away and
And last but not the least, Alden Richard! Mom, Papi! Kiss! Sige mo ng kiss! 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 Woo! Tapos!
Reminder lang po, hindi na po tayo kakain. Kung sila po dapat kumain.
Okay, thank you, Papi. And photo po tayo, lahat po ng roses. Tita Daisy! Ang napaka-sexy at napakabait naming tita, kapatid yan ni Mother. Tita, kamusta kayo ninyo? Bilisan mo lumakad. Okay, Tita Daisy!
Happy birthday, Dunya. Wish ko lang sa'yo ng apaan sa ni Lord yung buhay mo. Lagi kang masaya. At bigyan mo pa ni Lord ng maraming pera at para bigyan mo ako.
Perfect.
Happy birthday.
Sana kami din mabigyan.
Perfect, tita. May pamasko ka sa amin.
To my loving, caring, and kind auntie, happy birthday. May all your dreams come true. Thank you sa lahat ng tulong at support mo sa amin. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, thank you sa pag-asikaso tuwing napunta kami sa inyo. And syempre, I wish good health, long life, and